Okay, hello, hi, and welcome to my channel, Svbony. Now, in this video, guys, we are going to talk this video will be the very first video ever that's gonna talk about our Zoom eyepiece from Svbony. That's 1.25 inch eyepiece, and as you can see, this is the box. It's written on it. It's still in the package. Today, just right within the last hour. Okay. I had it, okay, and it's like from 3mm to 8mm planetary zoom eyepiece, okay. This eyepiece is zoom eyepiece for like from 8mm to 3mm, so you can get directly the eyepiece from 24 to 8, and then you can switch it to 8 to 3. So this is how this will work. This is my very first ever opening it, first ever. This is still new, by the way, in the market, okay. I'm not just making this up, okay. It's really new, okay. So no, I don't think that there is any other company who made such a eyepiece before, okay. So, and it's not cheap, by the way. It's like I got it for $150, okay, $150. So almost, okay. Exactly, it was for 149.76, okay, with shipping, with everything. So to Lebanon, okay, to Beirut, Lebanon. So we're gonna open it, okay. You're gonna see it. Look, I'm not gonna test it right now because I have to take another video for it. I don't have the telescope right now, so when I get the telescope, we'll test it, okay. So this is just an unboxing, okay. We're gonna just test whatever we can test, okay. Maybe I will join this video with another one, okay. Let's see. Anyway, I have an old telescope that's a Celestron Astromaster 130 EQ, sabotaged from so many sides, okay. But we're gonna test but the telescope itself, the tube is working, okay, so don't worry. So yeah, let's open the sweet thing, this thing, okay. I'm trying to open it in a proper way, okay. Oh shit. Anyway. Yeah, in a proper way. So anyway, it's just like in a way that I can keep it in a bag shape, not just like rip it off. Okay, keep it looks like a bag. Okay. Voila. Sweet packaging. This is it. Okay, this is the model. Okay. This is it. So there's nothing on the sides. And this is the box from bottom. Let's open it together. This thing is this. This is the very first opening. I never touched it. It's just right now. You saw. Okay. Still new. Okay. Let's see together. So yeah, we got this camel tissue. Okay. Kerchief, whatever. Okay. For cleaning. And this is the eyepiece, and here it has this foam, okay, to save it. Yeah, there's nothing. And just in case you want to see what's inside the foaming, they just put something by mistake. Okay, I don't think there's. Oh, it's just. No, there isn't. Okay, it's just hard to put it out. Just forget it. There's nothing. I'm sure there isn't. It does not shake anything. Okay, so let's see. Yep. That's it. This is it. This is the cover. So light rubber. Okay. Yeah, this is from inside. That's on this side. This is also rubber. Okay. Okay. As we said, this is the other side. Okay, that's it. Okay, so we have here, you can see the focal lengths that you would be looking for. Okay, so yeah, here it's set on its 8. This is the max. This is the weakest zoom. Okay, 7, 6, and 4. Then you go 3. This is maximum zoom. Okay. Now, actually, the maximum zoom that you can get physically, as many people would consider, is the 4 millimeters. Okay. This is nature. This is from how God created things. Okay, so it's like this is the limits. And here it's set on its Svbony 3 to 8 millimeter zoom FMC. Okay, now let's see whether we can. Yeah, this one here. So it has clicks where like stop clicks. Okay, or click stops. I don't know how to say it. It's just that it will click on every stop, every focal length here, the 8, 7, 6, whatever. So yeah, so now it's because I'm changing the, so it's on yeah, once it's on 3 millimeters, okay, this will raise to the maximum. Okay, okay, and let me just for myself, just to be able to show it to you. Okay, see. Yeah, it will keep the field of view while that's a really nice thing. It will keep the field of view while it's zooming. So this is the good thing about it, because that's why it raises the this part. Okay, this part is risen. Okay, is lifted up in order to keep the eyepiece in a very wide field of view. Okay, so yeah, it has some kind of oil maybe here on the sides. See, there's some kind of oil maybe just to keep it running, like sliding smoothly. This is maybe, I'm not sure, so just to be accurate in my description, okay, because as you can see there's this here, this like changing the contrast here, this kind of sparkles, sprinkles, I don't know what they call them, the shiny part. Okay, and yeah, let's see, where's the camera. Trying to show you how it looks like from inside. I don't know, I know for sure there's no telescope because it needs a telescope. Yeah, so this is the yeah, it's hard. Later, when I have to put the, when I put the telescope install the eyepiece on it, we will see the results. Okay, so it's very important to get it. Okay. Done on a telescope. Okay, that's it. Okay, but you see this white circle that you saw. Okay, this is the field of view of the eyepiece. It will be kept always. Okay, you don't have to change it. Okay, this is what I saw in my eyes. The same things. okay, the same thing will happen to you. So I'm not lying in this part, okay? Why should I lie, okay? So that's the eyepiece from Svbony, okay? And thanks for watching. Okay, cool. Bye.